The batch upload feature in the gateway allows you to execute many actions all at once by uploading a file. The file accepts a CSV, Excel file, or a text file. Here's an example file that I'm going to use. In this example, I'm going to be doing a couple sales and authorizations, and I have the full credit card numbers, expiration dates, and all customer information for these customers. There are some guides as well as example files in the show notes, so make sure you download those to see exactly how these work. But essentially, I've created the file telling us what transaction type I'm doing. I'm doing sales and auths, and all the customer's information that I would need. An important note if you're uploading an Excel file is that you'll want to select all fields and make sure that they are formatted as text. If you don't do this, Excel has a habit of adding invisible characters that can potentially mess up the upload. I can upload the file and then hit Upload Batch. We'll show you the headings that you put on each column so you can tell what you entered and you can match them up in our system with what they should be. Once you have everything entered, you can hit Next. You'll get a real-time update for how the transactions are processing. This one's already done. And I can see 10 were approved, 0 were declined, and there was 1 error, for a total of 11 actions. If I go back to my file, I can see I have 11 rows, and this first row is where all my headers are. So the way batch upload works, it will actually check every row, including that header. So if you have any headers like this, where you describe what's in each column, you can expect to have 1 error. But we have 10 rows below, and 10 approved. So all of those transactions approved. If I want to see the result of those transactions in my reports, I can click on the file name, and that brings me to my reports, where I can see all of those sales and authorizations that I just ran, including all the information that I entered. If I want to check on my batch history, I can click the magnifying glass here, select a date range. We show you the past week by default, and you can see all the batches you've uploaded. You can click on the name to see all of the transactions run from that batch, and we have a download link over here. If you click that, you'll download the response file. So if you have errors, you can download this file and see what errors happened to try to correct them. The batch upload feature allows you to do many actions in your gateway account, including running sales, authorizations, and even adding customers to the vault or adding new subscriptions.